Pwede kayo pag-room to? Maliit yung table eh. Paano may gag-room? Caucasian po at saka Alabay. Okay, so nandito tayo ngayon sa SM Las Piñas event ng Pet Mundo, which is the Pet Fest 2023. In-invite tayong speaker para sa Supero Premium Raw Dog Food. At ngayon ay dala ko si Tala at si Lucas. Si Lucas ay Alabay at si Tala is Caucasian of Charca, na alam naman natin si Tala yung aso ko na medyo reactive at food aggressive. Excuse us. Masyadong mainit doon. Hindi na. Hindi, tsaka stress sila. So kailangan i-move. Ay! Sige. Yeah. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Actually, interviewin pa kita mamaya.
Ay, tama talaga?
Oh, ikot lang kami. Para hindi sila ma-stress. Okay. Sige. Thank you. Hindi pa.
Hello, I'm Ina Raimundo Banson, founder of Pet Mundo PH.
Okay, Raimundo. So, paano ka related kay Raymart?
Rani. Yes.
Rani Raimundo.
Rani Raimundo is my father, pero wag niyo na pong tanungin kung marunong ako kumanta kasi yun po yung iisang hindi ko namana sa tatay ko. So, sorry guys, hindi po ako makakanta.
Okay. Ano ba itong Pet Fest 2023?
The Pet Fest is actually our main type of event in Pet Mundo. So our goal is to produce different types of free events. This would be selling events and learning events also. Pero si Pet Fest ang pinaka-main event natin in Pet Mundo.
Ano-anong mga klaseng vendors itong mga nandito?
These are mostly humanpreneurs, as we would like to call them. So these are pet owners with small businesses. We try to make sure that we give out different varieties. So you'll see here different types of accessories, treats also, there are toys, clothing, and also some items for the pet parents themselves. So meron tayong mga bag, tote bags na pwedeng gamitin ng mga pet parents. Right now, I think we have about 15 to 20 vendors. We try to make sure that we have a good variety and as much vendors as we can fit in the locations that we do our events in.
So, nagpapasalamat din tayo kay Ma'am Ina kasi in-invite niya ang Supero to be the speaker of Raw PD. Salamat.
Thank you, Dan. Thank you so much for joining us. Kasi ako, my dog Zuko was a puppy. Actually, nag-raw feed ako with Supero specifically. So, medyo naging picky eater kasi siya. So, nasasayang po ang ating raw na Supero. So, hopefully, though, ma-integrate ulit to sa diet ni Zuko. Yes, thank you so much. So, you can follow us on Instagram and TikTok at PetMundoPH. And then on Facebook, it's facebook.com/PetMundoPHOfficials. Thank you so much, Melvin. Thank you, Supero family!
Ano po ba ang difference ng sodas na 80 pesos lang sa Supero na 135?
Ang Supero is a combination of meats, fats, bones, and innards. So, pwedeng sodas plus Supero, okay yon. At least kahit 20% man lang kami sa diet, maganda na, may impact na sa aso. Bottom line is mas healthy, long life. Yung pupo nila madaling dakutin, halos walang amoy. Ilakad mo sa ulan, lakad mo sa putik, ilakad mo kung saan, dalhin mo sa bundok. Pagbaba nun, aso pa rin yun, masaya pa rin. At saka walang sakit. Thank you. Takot? Huh? Teka lang, tatalo na lang kami. Excuse me po. Huh? Pwede bang tumambay dito? Hey! Shh! Excuse me! Kapag halimbawa pinakain mo to sa aso mo, kumpleto na siya, ang gagawin mo lang is itotow mo at isa-serve mo. So yan ang pagkain ni Lucas, yan ang pagkain ni Tala. Si Lucas kumakain to ng about 1.3 kilos ng supero sa isang araw, while si Tala nasa 1.4 kilos ng supero isang araw. So initially, mahal kapag titinan mo yung cost, pero kung titinan mo yung haba ng buhay, health ng aso mo, yung peace of mind dahil hindi ka na problema, hindi ka na magpapabit. Pag matamlay, hindi naman tumatamlay. Etong mga to, exposed sa ulan, exposed sa kung saan-saan. Excuse me. Excuse me. Nung na-develop na yung beef and chicken, gumawa kami ng pork. Same formula, but different meat. Sabi, boring na daw yung pork, eh di gumawa kami ng pure beef. And then, eto para sa mga bully, kasi ang dami nagbubully na naging customer namin, gumawa kami ng bully sensitive. Then, we have yung raw beef. Ito yung pinaka-latest namin. Raw beef is a combination of rabbit and beef. And then, lastly, yung pussy sensitive, which is for cats, pero pwede rin kainin ng aso. At syempre, training, mga training, sit, stay, basic obedience, kailangan yun ng treats, so gumawa na rin kami ng pork liver bites.